Good morning, everyone. This is KS. Today is 16th of January 2025. As I mentioned yesterday, I will do a video on this data center related stock. Okay, they are Scgbhd Ytl, MTEC NOTION, Ytl Ytlpowr, CloudPoint EG, UUG, BS, Gamuda, Malaysian, TM, all this Tenaga, all this Okay. So recently, okay, the impact, the news on the Biden administration, US sanction, okay, on this AI chip Also, this one play a big factor on the big drop of our technology stock, especially this data center related stock So we want to take a quick look actually what happened to them and what are the support, whether there's any chance of a rebound for you to exceed or not, all these things so it's quite important today Remember, share this with your friend and remember, subscribe and like. Okay, very important. A quick disclaimer before we continue. Disclaimer: be advised that I'm not a professional trader or advisor. I am sharing my trading journey for entertainment purpose only. Any opinions, news, research, analysis, price, or other information contained in this video is my own opinion and does not constitute investment advice. I will not accept liability for any loss or damage, including, without limitation to, any loss of profit, money, asset, or any valuables which may arise directly or indirectly from use of information in this video. Trading foreign exchange, indexes, stock market, futures, commodities, energy, precious metal, etc. carry a high level of risk, and please trade on your own research and assessment. Please seek advice from a professional financial advisor for your trading needs. Okay, before we start checking out all this, of course we want to take a look at Nvidia. Okay, Nvidia the big brother of this of this AI industry Okay, Nvidia now is a sideways pattern so it's trying to breach the 150 or 152 area so it done many times okay, but it just cannot go through the 150. Okay, it keep on being rejected. Okay, but they got support at 130, so now it's holding at support 130 and 152. Now we are taking it as a sideways pattern so now it's not dropping, it's not going up also, okay, but no doubt it goes up and come down, but the current pattern in a sideways pattern okay, so we assume that now the price is stabilized between 130 and 152 A break above 152 means you want to make another big push higher, drop below 130, probably a big drop or continue a big drop a big drop down okay. So but now we can't call it bullish or we can't call it bearish, we call it sideways okay. So it's totally not, we are not Nvidia is not a position that is going to continue to drop, or not a position that is going to have another bull run okay. So for now, okay, Nvidia stabilized at between 130 and 152 in a sideways pattern. Okay, let's look at our local one. Remember, like, share, comment, support the channel. Okay, Scgbhd Ytl. Okay, let's check out how's the progress. Okay, Scgbhd. Okay, Scgbhd hit this triangle pattern target. Okay, so after target is dropping we can't call this bearish pattern yet, means a bear run yet, but it is dropping okay, it is retracing. Okay, so if it come back to 1.04, I think there's support over this area. Okay, it might come back and have a rebound so if you are rebuy at the high, this rebound could be chance for you to cut down okay, this rebound, I think it will happen like this. You rebound, go up a bit, then come back down, you breach again 1.04 so it will make a head and shoulder pattern I think long term, I think it still looks like it's going down with this drop, but you should have sold it at the target area okay, because it's high we are not taking bottom here, it's quite high. Okay, so the next one, Ytl. Okay, Ytl hit the head and shoulder target and it's coming back down. You see it actually broke below the neckline 2.24 okay, which is this neckline which is a bad sign lah. Okay, unless you can breach above here again, then I think the bull pattern, the bullish pattern will continue lah. But if we keep on stuck below 2.2, below this 2.26 okay, this area lah, 2.4 area. Let me double check. Okay, this area. At 2.4 area, I think in long term, if we unable to breach, go above, so I think you turn around and continue to come back down lah. Okay. But let's see YTL power. Okay, YTL power also okay, we head and shoulder also it hit the target 4.56. Now it's coming back down very fast. So this one also okay, this area 3.81 and 3.55 to 3.81 need to support it. If we cannot support, I think you drop even further to this low here. Okay, if we can support, maybe it's a chance for you to run, maybe have a rebound and come back down and another kind of a head and shoulder pattern. Okay, so there's a chance that you will have a short rebound. So this rebound is a chance to cut down lah. Okay, to cut down. Okay. Let's check out this. Who else? MN holding. Okay, or MN big drop after hit the target lah. So this one also any rebound chance to run. Okay, MN is very high okay, from 20 over cent okay, rip until okay 127 so already very big rebound. I mean very big gain okay, and this one very danger lah. Go up through the stairs, come down to the window lah. Okay, so this one any rebound I think it's a chance to cut down or run lah. Okay, Notion. Remember, like, share, comment, and share this with your friend, and also subscribe if you're a new one. Okay, if you haven't subscribed to the channel. Notion, Notion, I said, these are chances to run because the goring already happened already here okay, May, July already happened already. Okay, so this one, any rebound chance for you to run okay, so it already dropped below support 1.15 so it's not looking good also Okay, looks like it's going continue down. Any rebound chance to run cloud point. Yeah, cloud point double top so it's coming back down okay, so I think most likely come back to 0.84 area, so I got chance to run. I think better run first okay. But there's support over here unless you break over this uptrend trend line okay, 0.8. If you drop below 0.8, you have to be very careful. 0.84 but especially if you drop below here, then danger here. Okay, 0.68, 67, 69 okay, we got double top okay. All drop, big drop okay, due to the news that this US is controlling okay, the amount of the AI processing power of this country that they categorize as level 1, level 2, level 3 so ours is in level 2 okay. Also there will be limit okay, to our capability of producing AI or AI data center and AI AI services okay. So that's why okay, so this one EG hit target okay, 2.61 our target, so it's slowly coming back, but it's not coming back down very fast so this one maybe okay, I think it still will correct, come down, but I think this one might not turn to a bear market like so serious like all the others okay. This one maybe a small correction, still got chance to go, but a correction nonetheless I think it might come back to 2.34, even 2.0. UUE or UUE a big drop okay, at the target 0.925. I told you this is a target area, so it's dropping very fast so 0.7, 0.63, especially if it drop 0.63 danger it might have a big drop okay. VS VS looks like it failed the target okay, this high here for now looks like fail especially if we cannot hold 1 ringgit if we cannot hold 1 ringgit, I think it's going to come down. If you hold 1 ringgit, maybe still got chance okay, but need to cut down this big drop is too dangerous probably okay, cut down. Gamuda, Gamuda the uptrend broken okay, uptrend broken, this one serious okay. climb staircase up, down through the window lah. Okay, unless you can reclaim, okay, 490 lah. Okay, I think maybe you have some support over here. Maybe it will rebound to 4.5 or 490. I think these are a chance to run lah. I think then you'll start to have a long-term downtrend. See red color also no more. Ren Hill. Okay, Ren Hill also if you cannot hold 1.36, be careful okay, the uptrend probably in trouble, but if you can hold 1.36, maybe still got chance Okay, unless something we got some bullish sentiment coming in, I think better cut down Okay, until the first and second week we see what is the Trump administration policies and what are the ideas that being floated out by this Trump administration Also now this one also is a bear flag okay, for this Malaysian. Also Malaysian after break the support coming back down So I think any rebound is a chance to run if you haven't run I told you few days back to cut down already okay, before this big drop okay, before this big drop, right? Suncon. Okay, wow, Suncon, big drop okay, up through the stairs, down through the window. So Suncon, you see the support here also drop below this. Okay, so down you have a classic. Okay, the classic double top here. So do take note unless you reclaim this area and stay above here. Okay, so you have to be very careful Okay, unless you reclaim this 3.67 and hold above 3.67, then maybe still got chance but this one looks quite bad for now. And who else? Tenaga. Remember, like, share, comment, subscribe to the channel. If you haven't watched haven't subscribed, every day got video English and Chinese. Okay, Tenaga now in sideways pattern, the support is 13 and 12 okay, that day you see the announcement of the tariff already got a big push up, but then they say the government haven't approved the tariff, everything, so it's certain to drop some more this data center, this news of this AI chip sanction, all these things okay, cause it to drop some more. The important level is 12.74 If you drop below 12.74, be careful 13.3, 12.74 to 13.30 this is the big support area okay, big support area. Okay, if you drop below here, I think then in long term it will even go even lower. Red color also no more okay. Okay, unless I think unless Nvidia can break through, I think all these will remain something like flat or slowly going down, or okay, if Nvidia drop below support, I think this one probably all these will follow okay. But looking at the bearish sentiment now, okay, as I said best to cut down okay. I'll talk to you again later today, not tomorrow later today okay, bye bye.